Well, wrapping up an insane week here. FOMC had a 1,000-point move on the day. Yesterday, Thursday, with crazy moves as well. Today, initial balance was like 300 points. We had several 5-minute 100-point candles, which is a lot. So we're going to go and recap the couple trades I took today. Failed to get in on the big move. Just couldn't find an entry, and that's okay. But overall, coming into the end of the year here, which is exciting times. It's been a fun year, a solid year of trading. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and recap today's stream. Yo, good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome. Okay, so whoa, was I here on this day? This was like the very first. Yes, this is the day I was done in like 20 minutes. That was FOMC. You're right. I was done in like 20 minutes. I peaced out. I never opened it again. I wasn't here yesterday to see the carnage of FOMC. That's a little bit of a shock factor. We're down 0.7 again. 0.77% currently. 1,000 points for FOMC. Wow, it really is. You're right. What was the percentage move on that? I guess I could do the math, but I don't want to. Does anybody know the percentage move? I mean, that's fairly nasty. 4%, 3.5. Yeah, that's aggressive. 3.5 is aggressive because anything past 2, you start feeling like it needs to rebound a little bit, and then it doubles past that again. That's nasty. That's nasty. Looks like yesterday got a little heavy as well. Overnight got a little heavy. We're bouncing off it a little bit. That's gross. Was it 1,000 instant, or was it just like a melt for 2 hours after? Anyways, we're open at VWAP. We're right around VWAP, 2,000 or 21,200. We got overnight lows down at just about 21K. Overnight highs up at 420 or so. So another, 420 point overnight range. That's nothing at all. 250 instant melt after. Oh, dang it. That's like the kind of stuff I love to watch and hate to trade, but it's very fun to watch. It's kind of like entertaining. That's aggressive. We are below yesterday's value area low as well. Here's the thing. The last couple days looks heavy. It's Friday after all. If we can hold above VWAP, above 200, might catch a little move, top of the little short-term prior swing high, I guess. 300s could be kind of interesting. We've cracked 300s, maybe looking for the overnight highs. Markets are open. Overnight highs, 420 area. Could be totally in play. We get back below VWAP, really below 160. 21K looks pretty interesting again. So I don't know. We'll see. It's Friday after all. Fridays usually do one of 2 things, one of 3 things. Pumps like crazy with FTV Friday. Melts a lot lower if we're selling off nicely, or it goes sideways. So it's going to be one of those. And it's triple witching. I forgot to say that. And we have news, right? We got a Michigan sentiment at 9 o'clock. We have PCE and core PCE come out at 7:30. We got Michigan sentiment at 9. Goolsby at 9. If you're a crude oil trader, you got rig counts at noon. Matt's back. Yeah, markets are dead again. Right. Honestly, I leave. I get done in the first 20 minutes on Wednesday. We dump 1,000 points. I'm not here yesterday. Sounds like we had decent volatility. I come back today. We chop VWAP the whole session. It's so fun. Also, I put it in the Discord yesterday. I know I had promised the trading platform name and early beta sign up this week. I was going to do it on Monday, and with the move happening this past weekend and stuff, I've just been really busy. And now we're towards the end of the week, and I don't want to do it into Christmas when everybody's on holiday and stuff. So I'm actually we're going to officially do the name drop 100% certain on the 13th. It'll give everybody some time to come back from traveling and the holidays and to feel rejuvenated, myself included. It's also my birthday on the 13th. So I'm going to drop the trading platform name, early beta sign up for the trading platform. It's not a prop firm. It's a trading platform. Similar to Sierra Charge, something like that. Trade8, Ninja Trader, Quant Tower. I hope to be their competitors, right? On the 13th. So it'll be a hype Monday. VWAP, honestly, an interesting spot here with VWAP, but I imagine we sweep the lows right at 80s. 100 points up, 100 points down. Fairly aggressive morning so far. I feel like it's been a minute since we've had a morning this aggressive. Maybe I'm wrong, but this, I don't know. I feel like we haven't had like multi-100-point swings in a little bit of time. We're just kind of grinding here. Like we pushed new highs here, right? Feels like it. Looks like it. Bounce off 300. Go back and retest 80, maybe. Kind of the same pattern we just did. Could be kind of interesting. Pretty wide trade though. All right, it's lit. Oh. We got two dad jokes here. December 19th, yesterday. Don't trust atoms. They make up everything. So. Oh, December 20th today, Friday. Nice doji. This could be kind of interesting here. It's just the question is, are we going to rotate it or not? 50% retrace. Stop at new lows. Give it 10 points. I'm actually going to pull this up a little bit. I want to see us go retrade 10s. If we can't do that, would I have gotten full fill there? No. Yes. I would have done it by a tick. Base hits, Matt. Base hits. Blew 9 points there. I could have grabbed 10. December 20th, Friday. What's an astronaut's favorite part of a computer? A space bar. All right, that trade. I wanted to keep it tight because we have the prior wick here that I still think is fairly interesting. But we also have point of control at 41, which I think is more interesting. I wanted to see, so what I was looking for here was 1 minute doji, get in at the 50% retrace, which I did, stop at the prior low, which I did. I moved the take profit up into the untested wick at 13 or so, which if we caught legs, that was definitely the play, but it ended up giving me an instant 10 that I should have just taken. So on to the next. I would like to see us pull back off of here and value area low from yesterday. It just I don't know if it feels wrong to be trying to fade this because there's a lot of strength, obviously. It feels like 480 now, I guess. 100 points off yesterday's close into yesterday's point of control. Good God. I don't know how these are the types of days that are just very, very challenging, I think, to be able to execute off of. Because you start feeling FOMO on this move, right? Like we chopped for like 10 minutes or whatever at 50s. And all of a sudden we're 100 points higher. And so it feels like you're getting FOMO. But there's just no opportunities for you to get in. Rejecting 50 here, I think is clean. It's a quick 20 points. So you finally like market buy up here at the highs after a 100, 200 point move up. Then it slaps you silly or whatever, right? Or it does what it just did, where it sweeps at 20, 30 points and then it keeps ripping, or it's like enough to shake you out. Okay, actually though, 480 looks interesting. Then we have IBH, also interesting. This is very tight. Bro. Missed it by 2 ticks. Right idea. Definitely the right idea. Definitely the right idea. Almost a 50-point move. Missed it by 2 ticks. Happens. Mark it in, man. Nah, it's not worth it. Not worth it on volatility like today, to be perfectly honest. Where I'm guaranteed slippage and it's too much movement right now. Not worth it. I'd rather miss it by 2 ticks than mark it in right now, currently. If I feel super confident on it, I'll market it in, but not when it's like we're going into yesterday's point of control. If we snap 80, the quick rotation IBH I think is very, very likely. And we're getting 20-point moves in like almost instantly, which would run to my stop, which I'm not down for. So yeah, I'd rather miss it by 2 ticks. The annoyance of missing by 2 ticks is a lot less than the annoyance of getting instant market in and stop filled. New highs in the session? Not by much though. Not by much at all. 37 by a point. Got slapped off it. I would imagine we run back up there, but if we don't, I think that's usually it's pretty telling. I mean, wicks get run up here, right? Even if we failed to run it by a tick, or excuse me, if we ran it by a point, wicks probably get run up here, I would think. The kind of no-brainer trade for a lot of people is probably stop at 40, right? Taking a short in the 30s with a stop above 40, which means it probably runs 40. We're gonna hold it. Second trend line today drawn. I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, I'm out. That's gonna be it for me. Grody day. Grody for sure. First trade should have been a winner. That was on me for moving my ish around. That trade, I wanted the trend line to hold. Bottom of the range, I think makes a lot of sense. 90, 80s again potentially. IBH, definitely potentially. Funny word. But it's Friday and I am not liking this. 2 losers. This action doesn't give you a whole lot, so you just got I don't know, you got to play like breaks of these little chop ranges somehow. So good luck, everybody. We'll see you Monday morning. Market open 8:30 a.m. at the time. Have a great weekend. Peace.